Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you there are new capabilities and new filters which are added by Microsoft 365, right? And those are really great filters for 365 administrator, IT pros, and people who are working across Microsoft 365 as their day job or a regular kind of activities within Microsoft 365 ecosystem, right? And these are the capabilities which are really great and helpful. And those capabilities are something like kind of filters, right? So as soon as you go to 365 admin portal and find out or just click on the respective filter, it is going to filter it out all the respective capabilities or respective ways of filtering out, right? So without wasting much time, I'm going to simply jump onto the demo and show you how we can filter it out and how that is going to be pretty straightforward and easy for us to filter it out, right? So let's go ahead and jump on to the demo, right? So let me share my screen here quickly. And here I'm on 365 admin portal, right? So from the portal right here under the active users, right? And once we are on users page, here you see all of these are the different filters, right? So these filters are something like if I wanted to identify and find out all the users which are licensed ones, then I need to click on that and it's going to give us the option which license you wanted to filter out. Let's say I wanted to filter out with the first this license, and then it is going to filter out with that respective license only, right? So you can see that it has filtered out all the users where this license is assigned, right? And basis on that, we can go ahead and maybe export all the user accounts or whole list of this account. And then it's going to give us the details, or maybe we can take any other steps or any access that we wanted to take, right? Similarly, we have sign in allowed or sign in blocked. So which is a sign in status. And then we can go ahead and filter it out as well, right? So basis on that, we can take any further actions and whatever the actions we wanted to take. Similarly, on the domain, right? Which domain we wanted to filter out, right? And then locations. So locations includes all the different countries. If I say I wanted to filter out user with a specific country, maybe France, I would select any user. Let's say this user account was created for this location, right? And it has filtered out, right? Simply we can go ahead and remove those filters and you can see all those filters come up with it's a by default value. Now we'll jump on to the common sets or commonly used. So there are two ways. One is with the standard filter set. These are the standard filters which are provided by Microsoft for 365 applications, right? And then from there, we can filter it out. Let's say I wanted to see the guest users. I can simply select and I can see that the respective guest users over here, right? Similarly, I can go ahead and filter it out licensed users or maybe service support administrators. Then it's going to be showing us that as well, right? And then I would show you the custom one. So this is the custom filter that I had created before, but I'm going to show you creating brand new one. So you need to click on new filter, then give it a name. Let's say I wanted to filter out guest users maybe, and with the respective domain, or let's say we wanted to see block one, or maybe I can simply select on any of the license page or licenses, right? And then we can provide any other locations or details. Let's say if there's a user which is licensed with this one, then only filter it out. And then there are other conditions that we can put in place, right? So let's say maybe the user is synchronized only, or users with errors, or any unlicensed users with exchange mailboxes or archives, right? So that way we can filter it out as well. So let's say I have created this filter with the name of guest users and then add. So, right. So once we add that filter, that filter will show up over here and that will be executed. Now you can see that all the accounts which has licensed E5, which we have selected and it has executed and it has filter it out. We have given guest users as a name to it. That is why it just pulled it out. But the actual filter is for 365 license, right? Similarly, I had created this before, but name could be anything, but depending on the filters that we are going to provide over here. Let's say I wanted to filter out users with this domain only. Let's say tech domains. I'll create a new one with the tech domains, and then we should be good because we don't want anything or any other filters, and we wanted to filter it out only with that respective domain, right? So okay, I think let me cross this out. Okay, so you can see that it has filtered out all those users with has a .tech domain associated it. Similarly, go back and click on this one and then click on tech domain. So that's the filter one, right? And once we click on that, it is going to filter it out all the user accounts which has that respective domain associated with it, right? So this is how it is going to provide us all the filters, and then it is pretty straightforward and easy for us to go ahead and make the filters and make the use of all those filters effectively for our work to be easy, and we don't want to struggle to find out license users, sign in status, domains and locations, and many other standard sets of filters, right? So as I showed, these are the standard set of filters which we can say, let's say user admin. Now, if we search who is the user admin, that means we found one account over here, right? This is the user or account which has user admin's privileges assigned to it, right? Let's say we wanted to see the global administrators, right? So we can go ahead and do that as well, right? So this way it is going to be pretty straightforward. If I wanted to say unlicensed user, we can do that. So users with errors, right? So this is also one of the filter that is a standard filter and which is available for us to straightforward use it, right? So this way we can go ahead and use it. So yeah, that's all for this video. I wanted to show you and hope you will know or learn something new. And if you have used this and you have seen this before, let me know in the comment section below, and you can put any questions, any thoughts around it. What are your experiences? And yeah, I would be happy to answer and collaborate on it. And definitely I'll be able to happy to answer anything that you might have. So yeah, that's all for this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to watch other videos around different playlists. You can go ahead and see those under the playlist section and watch whichever is going to be interest. And definitely you will learn something new on every video. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.